Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Al Munir High School e-learning system. Nursery class, today we are going to learn how to write number 8 and you have to do this work on your Al Hira maths workbook. First we learn how to hold a pencil. Put your thumb and your forefinger just above the cone-shaped part of the pencil and let the pencil rest between the thumb and the forefinger. Then put your middle finger underneath for support and put your middle finger, the middle finger is your third finger in your hand, and then put your middle finger underneath for support. This is the right way to hold a pencil. And don't do this. Pressure on the pointing finger and all fingers pulled into a fist. These two ways are wrong to hold the pencil. Number 8. In words E-I-G-H-T 8. E-I-G-H-T 8. How to write it? Make a circle, another circle, make a circle, another circle and join with them and join with the first circle to write 8. How many strawberries are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 strawberries. And how to write 8? Make a circle, another circle and join the second circle with the first circle to write 8. How to write 8? Make as an S and do not wait, go back up and that's an 8. You can see if we write S, S is like this, and if we go back to the up, it becomes 8. And the easiest way to write 8, make a circle and draw another circle and join with the first circle to write 8. Now trace these all dot numbers and trace them with clear line, write them in clear line. Count and tell. How many butterflies? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many butterflies? 8 butterflies. How many butterflies? 8 butterflies. And how to write 8? Draw a circle and other circle to write 8. Draw a circle and other circle to write 8. How to write 8? Draw a circle and other circle and join with the first circle to write 8. Now write these 8 in clear line. How many stars here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The number is 8 and spelling of this number E-I-G-H-T 8. Number is 8 and the spelling of 8 is E-I-G-H-T 8. And how to write 8? Draw a circle and other circle and join with the first circle to write 8. Very good. Now you know how to write 8. We have to draw 2 circles and join with each other to write 8. Very good. Now count the fingers. How many fingers? 1. How many fingers? 1, 2. 2 fingers. How many fingers? 1, 2, 3. 3 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many fingers? 5 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many fingers? 6 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many fingers? 8 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many fingers? 10 fingers. So students, today we learned how to write number 8. And what we learn about the number 8? Draw a circle, another circle, and join with the first circle to write 8. So students, do practice to write number 8 and do this work on your Al-Hira Maths workbook. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.